guys, it's me, Moondicle, with a very sad video. My fidget spinner broke. My fidget spinner broke. But I can fix it, so this is just a quick video. Just to say, they broke. Take a look. It's just a quick simple video. But you can't even do anything. So that's all I wanted to say. So bye.